I've developed the ultimate practice tool, one that finally gets you playing music, not just practicing it. Here's the idea. We all practice alone, right? But the moment you play with someone else, your timing, your tone, your rhythm, they completely change. That's what this is all about. I've taken live performances from artists like Billie Eilish, Leonard Cohen, Andre Rieu, and using AI, I've removed everything except for the performer. So now we get to step in as the person that's accompanying them. I'm inviting you to join these workshops. They happen twice a day on November 3rd and 4th, and again November 10th and 11th, with short focus sessions where we learn together live on Zoom. You'll see musicians at all levels accompanying real performances in real time. Whether you're a beginner and you're following the chord charts, or you're a more advanced player and you're improvising, this is how you take everything we've learned on Accordion Love and you bring it to life. I invite you to join these November workshops as well as the monthly challenges where the entire world is doing these challenges, and this is how we bring that music to life. I hope to see you over there.